So let's start. We need to code, but before we start coding, let's add a snowman in this background. The backdrop, like the snow backdrop. So go back to your backdrops, and I can write in the search snow. Let me add this background. You can search for your background secret for. I want to delete the cat. Delete her. And then add snowman. You can just search. This is the snowman. Write in the search the backdrop that you are looking for and the spirit that you are looking for. Okay, great for. So I put my snowman. I want to command him like to start when the green flag clicked. The command, these are my script. When the green flag clicked, forever loop, and then if loop. Forever, and then if. Yeah, great for the if, like I have a condition. If this happens, then this happen. Okay, if this happen, then this happen. So this is like a condition. If you study hard, you will succeed. And then there is a repeat. Also repeat. So got 3 blocks, 3 loops. Forever, and then if, and then repeat. Someone said teacher? Yes, what is your name? What is what? You want the link to Scratch? You should save the yeah, grade 4 by the way with you. You should bookmark it. Bookmark it to your favorite web browser. I send link in the chat. Just open the Scratch. Okay. I will send the picture from my screen when I'm doing it. I got like 6 minutes here, grade 4. If what is my condition? If the space bar, yeah, grade 4. The space bar key pressed. The space bar in the sensing blocks. So this is your first time to go to sensing blocks. Okay, this option is grade 4. It already exists over here. So I drag and drop it to my if condition. If the space bar pressed from the keyboard, of course, you get the space bar from the keyboard. Repeat 10 times, change by 10 and by minus 10. So go to motion, change by, not move. Change by, okay? Change y by, change y by. This one is grade 4. Change y by. This is like a y, and this is x. This is present dimensions, x and y. This is y and this is x. For the competition, yes. For the competition, yeah Khaled. Now this is like a just code, yeah Khaled. Not related to the competition. Drag and drop another loop, which is repeat. And this time, change y by minus 10. I can copy this, by the way. I can duplicate the same block. Right-click, duplicate. And instead of going back. And this time, I will make it only minus 10. Minus 10. So, let's see. I have to press the spacebar. Remember the condition? If the spacebar key press. So let me try it from my keyboard. So you can see every time I make him like he's jumping. He's going up and down. X by positive, he go up. When I say negative, the snowman go down. So now the snowman like going up and down, like he's jumping. Jumping, 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 jumping. I'm pressing the keyboard. Should I show you my keyboard, grade 4? Let me show you my screen keyboard. So how it works. And if I go to full screen mode, when green flag clicked, so you can see, spacebar key pressed. Every time I press the spacebar, the snowman jump. That's it, grade 4.